Today we're diving into the 2GIG GC3e premium security and control panel. This system boasts enhanced security features paired with a sleek 7-inch touch screen interface. Designed by 2GIG Technologies, known for their reliable home security solutions, the GC3e 345 aims to blend advanced functionality with user-friendly design. First off, let's talk about security. The GC3e 345 supports a wide range of sensors and peripherals, making it highly adaptable for various home or business security needs. From door-window sensors to motion detectors and beyond, it integrates seamlessly with 2GIG's ecosystem, promising robust protection against intrusions. The centerpiece of the GC3e 345 is its 7-inch touchscreen. This interface is not only large but also responsive, providing an intuitive user experience. Navigating through menus, disarming the system, or checking sensor status feels effortless thanks to its clear layout and touch responsiveness. Installation and setup are straightforward, especially for those familiar with home security systems. The panel supports both wired and wireless connections, ensuring flexibility during installation. Once set up, configuring the system via the touchscreen or remote access is simple, empowering users to manage their security settings conveniently. In terms of smart home integration, the GC3e 345 doesn't disappoint. It supports Z-Wave devices, allowing users to expand beyond security to control lights, thermostats, and more. This integration enhances the panel's utility, turning it into a central hub for home automation enthusiasts. One notable feature is the panel's compatibility with Alarm.com services. This opens up additional functionality such as remote monitoring, alerts, and even integration with voice assistants for voice-controlled operations. Overall, the 2GIG GC3e 345 stands out as a robust choice for those seeking a reliable and feature-rich security and control panel. Its blend of enhanced security capabilities, a user-friendly interface, and extensive integration options make it a top contender in the market. Whether you're upgrading from an older system or investing in a new security setup, the GC3e 345 offers a compelling package that prioritizes both security and convenience. It's clear why 2GIG Technologies continues to be a trusted name in the home security industry with products like this.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.